Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Princess Cruises suite experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Sapphire Princess. This particular category is a penthouse suite. It's one of my favorites and I'll show you why and review the amenities here in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Princess Cruises, make sure you reach out to HarTravel or book it right on HarTravel.com. We know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, a penthouse suite is a full suite category here, which means you're going to get early embarkation and disembarkation privileges throughout the cruise. You're also going to have access to the reserve class dining. That means that you'll have access to the Santa Fe restaurant in the reserve section, so you'll always have a seat for lunch and dinner and an enhanced menu. Now, throughout the entire experience, you're going to have elevated service. You'll have a complimentary minibar set up when you get in the suite itself, and quite a few other enhancements throughout the way, in addition to complimentary specialty onboarding. Now let's tour this beautiful suite. Now, when you walk in the door, you've got a nice marble foyer here, and you have a door that heads into the bathroom. Now, I'm going to take you in there in just a minute, but I just wanted to point out you've got separate entries. It's really great if you have guests over, or if you have anybody using the living room space as a bedroom. Now, you find that you have a butler's pantry with a wet bar here. You'll also have your mini fridge just underneath, a writing desk here with 2 US plugs, and then a bit of storage underneath. Now, you've got the sofa here, which would also convert if you have additional guests staying in the suite. A little bit more storage on the side there that also functions as a nightstand, a nice reading chair, and coffee table in the middle. Now, you can take advantage of that 24-hour room service menu, one of those great suite level amenities. You've got the first of the large flat panel TVs, fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. Now, the penthouse does function as a one-bedroom suite, and the way that they do that is you have a curtain here that'll pull closed all the way across to separate out the space. Now, I've stepped into the bedroom space here. You can see you have your Princess luxury bed. They upgraded them recently. You have really nice quality pillows, linens, and a mattress. Now, you've got storage on the other side with the nightstand. Over here, you've got quite a bit of storage with all the drawers underneath, 2 US plugs that you can utilize, and then you've got a writing desk that doubles as a vanity. Magnifying mirror here, hair dryer as well, along with your temperature controls to the side. Now, there's another large flat panel TV here, once again fully interactive, and don't forget you can even catch up on all your favorite Love Boat episodes. Of course, the show that started it all. Now, underneath here, you've got a little bit more storage, and then as we step in, I'm going to take you into the walk-in closet. Now, you've got those extra comfy Princess bathrobes and slippers you can use throughout your cruise. You're going to have golf umbrellas, a full laptop size safe, and hanging storage all the way across to the side and down below. Now, as we step into the bathroom, I really like the configuration that they have here. You've got a really nice large jacuzzi soaking tub. You've got some upgraded bath amenities as well, and I love that it even fits me. You can imagine touring the incredible places that this ship goes, whether you're in South America, Asia, Alaska, or anywhere in between. You'll be able to come and have a nice bubble bath, but after an incredible shore excursion before you head on out and enjoy all that this beautiful ship has to offer. Now, keep in mind, we do have the full ship tour on our channel as well, so you can see everything on the ship. Now, just behind here, you're gonna have a step-in shower. Once again, I really love that feature here. You got the clothesline that comes across, shower head up above as well, and more of those highly upgraded bath amenities. Now, just through this door here, you're gonna find the water closet. So you've got the toilet here. This is that extra door that enters from the living room space. Once again, if you have guests coming over, they don't have to go into your personal space, or if you have anyone staying in the living room, you have dual access. You've got a nice large marble vanity here, storage up and down. You've got a highly upgraded kit that comes with the suite. You've got a plug for a razor and a little bit more storage as well. So now we're out on your private balcony. You've got 2 nice large comfy loungers here. You've got a cocktail in the middle and a full dining room table. Now, you can take advantage of that upgraded suite amenities, have every single meal right here on your balcony. It's also a perfect place for family game night, or just a wonderful place to have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take in the fresh ocean air and all the beautiful spots that this ship visits. Now, keep in mind when you're ready to book this amazing suite or any room or suite with Princess Cruises, make sure you reach out to the experts at HarTravel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get that HarTravel signature service every step of the way.